Yesterday, for this problem, we got eigenvectors. That is another problem we do. Next, slowly we do. Suppose if it is repeated eigenvalues means what we do. Two eigenvalues means repeated means what I want to do. Three eigenvalues means repeated means what I want to do. We do one by one. Yes. Find the eigenvalues in eigenvector of the matrix. Same story. This problem also we have done, I think, up to eigenvalues. Am I correct? So what you would like to find eigenvalues, first of all, you write characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is what? Determinant of a minus lambda is equal to 0. It implies minus 2 minus lambda, 2 minus 3, 2, 1 minus lambda minus x, minus 1 minus 2 minus lambda. Determinant, sorry, it's not a matrix, is equal to 0. This implies what actually? Lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0. You know who is s1? Trace, sum of the diagonal elements. Who is s2? Minors, diagonal elements of minors. S3 is what? Determinant of it. This I'm skipping all this, everything we done. This equation what I got last class already we have done, I think so. If you want, you can check. This is lambda cube plus lambda square, 21 lambda. Okay, yeah. So if you want, you can check S1, S2, S3, you will get. Now, here lambda is equal to what? Minus 3, minus 3, 5. 3 is repeating twice. Somewhat dangerous case. Somewhat dangerous case. To find eigenvectors, if you go means what? Somewhat tedious, but we will do. Up here clear? Just I am skipping the steps for to find eigenvalues. You people, everyone knows, just I am leaving. Okay, are you able to do or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That step I skipped because I don't want to waste time. Because you people are keen in that. S1 you know, S2 you know, S3 you know, just you can find out, substituted. Finally, you will reach this. After that, breaking that equation, you will get minus 3, 5. Up to this, you know, just I'm skipping. Correct? Just you can do, but don't leave. Don't copy down also. Just you can give some space, you can try also. So it's taken for granted, you know everything. This also you can keep in your mind. Matrix is also correct. Minus 2, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, 0. Because if I ask that also you can tell, just I'll keep away my textbook. Now come on. Once if you know the eigenvalues, to find eigenvector, how you will write matrices of A minus lambda into another matrix X you will take. That X is the eigenvector. You will find slowly one by one. Correct? Clear about this? Clear up to?
Yes, sir.
And you studied or not symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be symmetric means what? Just recall. Any matrix you said you can sum of the symmetric is two symmetric. Half into open the bracket A plus 80, A minus 80. A plus 80 is the symmetric, A minus 80 is the two symmetric. Already you are done in our 10th standard or plus 1, I don't know. Somewhere you are done, no doubt. Now, symmetric means what? A is equal to 80. This you can keep in mind. After that I will tell you. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6. First row, first column same. So if you take transpose also we get same. Two symmetric means what you will get? A is equal to minus 80, but diagonal should be 0. Diagonal should be 0. So what you will take? 0, 1, 2 means what? 1, 2. 0. This is 1, 0, 6 means what? Here also you can write 6. And either above diagonal 0 minus you can do or below you can do. So that is the two symmetric. That all you can keep in mind. After one class, it may be useful. What is the symmetric matrix? For symmetric matrix, how to find eigenvalues? Lot of stories there. This is not a non-symmetric matrix. Only we are dealing. Okay, we are not went into symmetric matrix. Suppose if I step into symmetric matrix management, that is a different story. I will tell you. Now, okay, that you can forget about now. Now, up to we got matrix is given. I got using characteristic equation. Expanded using that lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3. S1 I got it, S2 I got it, S3 I got it. After that I got the equation. After using synthetic division, lambda is equal to plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. Maybe my equation becomes 0 at minus 3. After that I got using synthetic division, I am breaking into equation. From third degree to second degree I brought. After bringing that second degree, again I am breaking. So I got lambda plus 3, lambda plus 3, lambda minus 1. This much of story is there in between. So everything I am skipping. If people are taken for granted, just I am skipping. Now my aim is what? Up to 3 years, everyone can attack. Now previous problem is what? Lambda is equal to 1, 3, minus 4 means I got the eigenvectors. Now is two eigenvalues are same. If two eigenvalues are same means how to attack. Correct? Now shall I about this? Shall I about?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Copy down fast. Take 1 minute fast. Up to you can say if you space some space you can leave. After copy down also just you can rough work you can do. You have to find what is S1, S2, S3, then synthetic division you have to do lot of work is there. Just I skipped that everything. Maybe from day 1, timetable may be changing. The classes maybe starts from 8 o'clock, 8 to 5 I think so. I will tell you when we have the class. Now we are in batch 2, batch 2 or batch 1? You people are batch 2, okay, yeah?
yes, sir. 2.
Batch 2. I will tell you when our class I will tell you. I will inform you when is the math class. Anyway, maybe your class in charge also inform. I will inform you. But if it both will match, means we see.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we don't
Tell me,
know who
sir.
is a class in charge yet.
What?
We don't know who is a class in charge yet.
Okay, I will inform you. Don't worry. My timetable, I will inform you.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, you
Thank
will
you.
get mail and everything. I will tell my side also. As everything
Okay.
should be matched. That's what I am expecting. I will inform you. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shailaba,
Yes, sir.
now to find eigenvector, what you will do? Matrices of A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. That is what actually minus 2 minus lambda 2 minus 3 2 1 minus lambda minus 6 minus 1 minus 2 minus lambda. This is determinant. For finding characteristic equation you are using determinant. This is matrices. Sorry, this is matrices. Don't confuse. Now capital X how can I write? Now right. Now two eigenvalues are same. Lambda is equal to minus 3. That we discuss later. Now non-repeated eigenvalue is what? Lambda is equal to what? What is the non-repeated eigenvalue?
5.
5.
5. Now first you can find to find lambda. When lambda is equal to 5, we can find. When lambda is equal to 5, first we can find out keeping same side. When lambda is equal to 5, my equation A become what? Tell me. Equation A become what? Minus 7, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5. Am I correct, sir? Check.
Yes, sir.
If you write equations, what you will get? Minus 7x. See, by doing the eigenvector, always you can remember, no equation should be repeated. If it is repeated, means don't take that 2 because 3 are different here, no problem. So to find eigenvector, what I will do, take any two equations because three fellows are different. Second also, you can, if you remove 2 throughout, you can remove that 2 also, divided by 2. x1 minus 2, x2 minus 3, x3 also you will get. Or finally also it will go off, nothing will happen. So can we take second and third equation, or 1 and 2, which two equations you want to take, tell me?
Second and third.
Okay, second and third is somewhat okay, appears small numbers. So what I will take, same story. I told you, you can take x1, x2, x3. Then x1 coefficients is what? Minus 7. Sorry, second and third you want to take, 2, minus 4, minus 6. If you want starting itself, you can 2 also you can remove throughout. Nothing will happen. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 5. So what we told x1 by, always second term minus x2 by, x3 by. x1 means what? Leave this fellow. Leave this fellow. If you leave this fellow means what? Minus 4 into minus 5 is what? 20. 20. Here 2 minuses. In formula 1 minuses. Totally 3 minuses. 3 minuses means what? Output should be negative. So minus 12. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Yes or no? What it is, right or wrong? Now
Sir, it's 8. Yes.
for x2 you can remove this fellow. For x2, remove this fellow. What you will get? 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Here 2 minuses. In formula 1 minus. Totally 3 minuses. 3 minuses means what? Actually should be again minus. So minus 6. Leave this fellow x3 means. So what you get? 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Again, here 1 minus, here 1 minus. In formula 1 minus. Determine how you will do AD minus BC. So 3 minuses. 3 minuses means output again minus. Now this fellow is what? x1 by 8 is equal to minus x2 by minus 16. This minus, don't forget it, sir. Whole thing will collapse. x3 by minus 8. If you want, you can cancel throughout by 8. If you throw out cancel by 8 means what you will get? Tell me.
Sir, 1, 2, minus 1.
1, 2.
Minus 1.
Right. Now we can write. When lambda is equal to 5, eigenvectors are x1, x2, x3 in column we can write 1, 2, minus 1. Write down. Completed. When lambda is equal to 5, what is my eigenvalues? Up to here, copy it, sir. Copied all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
1
Yes,
minute.
what is it? Copy down, take, no problem.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
sir, I have a doubt in what you thought in the previous slide, sir. Like finding eigenvalues. Can you reteach that, sir?
What is which is era? This sir.
Not sir.
Here.
Before this, you wrote no, sir.
Here.
We found lambda plus. No, sir. Lambda plus 3 into lambda plus 3 into lambda minus 5.
Okay.
I couldn't get that, sir. That part alone, I didn't understand.
That you have to find the first S1, S2. What is S1? You know. You are, today is the first class for you.
No, sir.
You are attending.
Sir,
First class
this is the
of
first
today.
class, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh. Okay. Then I will explain next problem. I explain to you.
Okay.
Sir, and
Okay,
I
sir.
was
Thank you, sir.
not able to understand
Otherwise,
that
this videos, that the
eigenvalues.
previous videos I will upload anyway. I will explain. Yes.
Sir,
Okay,
I
sir,
was
thank
not
you.
able to attend the class of eigenvalues and eigenvectors.
Okay, that previous class all videos I will upload. Give me time. Actually, I'm doing actually some work is there. So I'm busy. A lot of work is there. So I'm not uploaded. Everything I will upload you. Okay, last classes. But anyway, I will teach.
Okay,
If you
sir.
have
Thank
doubt,
you.
I can explain. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And not only that, if you have, you see, you can go and see my channel is there. The Temple of Mass, Bapuji Pulepu. In that one playlist is there. Matrices. The whole into will cover. That also just glance you see. But I will take here. Don't worry. For previous problems, if you want, you can check. The Temple of Mass, Bapuji Pulepu. If you click that, the YouTube channel is there. There fully all units we completed, everything. But don't go before that. I'm starting this after. Anyway, I am lively available with you. That also you can check if you want. Anyway, I will explain you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Now, when lambda
Okay,
is
sir.
equal to 5, I got. Now, when next lambda is what? What is lambda? If you want, you can write. Just shall I above here?
Yes, sir.
Lambda is equal to 5. This is what? What I got? 1, 2 minus 1, sir. What is the A vectors?
1, 2 minus 1.
Yes, sir. 1, 2 minus 1.
Keep one side. Okay. Now again you can come. When lambda is equal to minus 3,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minus 3.
Is equal to 5.
so shall I above this also? Again I want
Yes,
to
sir.
check this equation.
Yes,
I want to
sir.
check this. Right. When lambda is equal to minus 3, from equation A, what I will get, tell me? Minus 2 plus 3, what?
So 1,
Plus 1, 4.
1,
2,
next 2,
minus 2,
minus 2, this is what?
4,
4.
1 plus 3.
4,
Minus 6.
1, this is what?
3.
Plus 3.
Now open your eyes and see the three equations, how they are appearing. First equation is what?
So x1 plus
Sir.
2x2 minus 3x.
Okay, sorry. Equation also forgettable. First row is what?
Sir, 1, 2 minus
2
3.
minus 3.
First, second row,
2, 4 minus
Minus
6.
6.
any relation is there first row and second row?
Yes, sir. Same. Yes, sir. It's just a multiple.
First row if you multiply by 2 means what? Second fellow will come. First row multiply by minus 1 means what? Second fellow, third fellow will come or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one fellow is what? He is standing in different styles actually. Only one fellow only. In different manner is standing. He is actually is covering with 2. He is wearing new pant and shirt. He is standing the same fellow. And same fellow another dress is standing here. So it's very dangerous. In determinants already you have studied or not, I don't know. In matrix, in determinant, any 2 rows or 2 columns are same is what is the determinant value?
0.
0.
Huh?
0.
This all you can recall. Why I will tell you. Take these equations. Write now equation x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 0. Second equation, who is second equation? 2x1 plus 4x2 minus 6x3 is equal to 0. Minus x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. If you write this problem like previous x1, x2, x3 means what you will take? Take actually.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, won't it be minus x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0? Third equation.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now you see. Suppose if I write x1, x2, x3, like this, take any 2 rows means what I will get? 2 rows means only 1 row only. Obviously, you will get x1 0, x2 0, x3 is equal to 0, no doubt. But x1 0, x2 0, x3 0 is what? Trivial solution. I don't want trivial solution. One equation is equal to 0 means what? Closing my eyes, I can tell you x1 0, x2 0, x3 0 is a solution. It's obviously you will get this called trivial solution. I want non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means what? I will have infinite number of solutions. In that one solution I want to pick. Getting or not? Why means what? Suppose see, if 2 rows are equal, 3 rows are equal, that's why I'm telling you. If same means don't take. If you want see, no, I don't want to listen, I want to check means what? Don't copy down this. 1, 2, minus 3. Now tell x1 by what you are getting?
Minus 12 plus 12.
X1 by what?
Minus 12 plus 12, sir.
What is the value?
x1 by 0, sir.
0, sir.
Minus x2 by what you are getting?
All are 0, sir.
So now you understand, what I am telling. So that's why when I started eigenvector, what I said, if two equations are same means don't take. Why the reason means what? If you go deeply, subject means what already you are studying determinant properties. In determinant, any 2 rows or 2 columns are same means what? Determinant becomes 0. Because these 2 rows are same. If you take this 2 by 2 matrix means what? This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Particular 2 by 2 matrix means what? 2 rows are means automatically the determinant 0. So lot of things are there actually. The basic things are very, very important. So if 2 equations are same means what? I don't want to go that method. I will drop that. If 3 are different equations means I will go for that, I will solve. Then I can able to tell what is my x1, x2, x3. Now my job is what? Take any one equations. 3 are same fellow, 3 are same fellows or not? 3 equations are same or not, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From this you can take any one equation. I am taking first equation. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will take first equation. So you don't go for rule of cross multiplication when 2 equations are same. That's why I said actually, in out of 3, 2 equations same is what? Don't do that take. What are the 2 different, which 2 different that you can attack? Here 3 are same, I cannot. Sometimes what you will do, first and 2 same you will get. Maybe first and third is different, second and third different. That time you can take first and third, second and third. Now okay. Now I will take a consider first equation. x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 0. This fellow I will write x1 is equal to minus 2x2 plus 3x3. Are you agree?
Yes, sir. Sir, are we substituting it?
No. x1 is equal to I am writing, other side I am taking because is equal to 0,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, but will we
This-
substitute the value of x1 in any other equation?
No way I will substitute. Taking any three equations are same fellows. From one fellow I am writing x1 is equal to some other 2 fellows, sum of remaining 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
Now, what I will do, put x2 is equal to k1. x3 is equal to k2. Just I am introducing parameters. K1, K2 will have infinite number of values. Already you are done in our plus 2 level actually. Now, my eigenvector become what? What is my x1? Tell me now. x2 is equal to k1, x2 is equal to k2 I am writing. What is my x1 now? Tell me. I will get eigenvector x1, x2, x3, sir. What is my x1? Tell me.
Sir, minus 2k1 plus 3k2.
Very good. Don't tell x2, x3. Already I introduced some fellow. So he will help you. Once if the work problem is, ask him to get out. So minus 2k1 plus 3k2. x2 is equal to who is x2?
K1.
Who is x3?
K2.
K2. Yes.
Sir, x2 is equal to K1, no, sir.
Thank you. Copy down up to that fast.
Sir, please explain this last step once again.
Wait. Because three equations are same. I am taking one equation, any one equation from these three. I am writing x1 is equal to 2x2 plus 3x3. I am substituting put x2 is equal to k1, new variable x3 is equal to k2. So my x1 become what? 2k1 plus 3k2. x2 is what? k1, x3. This is the eigenvalues. To find eigenvalues, I will play with k1, k2. K1 is equal to something means what? K2 is equal to something. If I do, I will get what is x1 value, first value. That is my aim. Because here you will have infinite number of solutions. In that, I will choose particular solutions like that.
Got it,
Correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now we see. I will start playing. What I will choose, share above here now. My job is over everything. Once if I reach there, I will take, put k1 is equal to, because I want to get two eigenvectors. Because lambda is equal to -3, 2 times get is there. So I want to get two eigenvectors for lambda is equal to -3. Lambda is equal to 5 already I got. Correct? Now what I will write, put k1 is equal to 0, k2 is equal to 1. Because infinite, if you want you can take 10 lakhs also, no problem. No, I want to sake of convenience, appearance should be good. I will let 0, 1 and take it. Doesn't matter what values are taking. Automatically, if I take k1 is equal to 0, k2 is equal to 0, what is my x1? Tell me.
Say 3.
3.
3. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So,
3.
now x2, already x1 I got this I am writing. K1 is equal to 0, K2 is equal to 1 means what you can 3, 0, 1. Are you agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now next time what I will take, put K1 is equal to 1, K2 is equal to 0. Another case, put K1 is equal to 1 and K2 is equal to 0. Obviously the equation will satisfy. Such a way I am choosing. Now what you will get, tell me?
So -2, 1, 0.
-2, x3 is equal to what?
-2, 1, 0.
Now 3 eigenvalues in my hand are not. 1, 2, -1, 3, 0, 1, -2, 1, 0, job is over. Now this is the case of 2 values repeated. Suppose if 3 values repeated, what you will do? Like these 2 cases you can do. Such a way you can choose K1, K2, then make the first fellow 0. How you will tell me? Up here clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
2 values means I am playing K1 0, K2 0, K2 1, K1 like this. Suppose 3 values are same. 3 eigenvalues are same. Lambda is equal to -1, -1, -1 I got. So there also I have to tell or not.
Yes, sir.
That time what you will do? I will play same story. K1 is equal to 0, K2 1, K1 1, K2 0. 2 eigenvector I will get. Third eigenvalue how you will get? Tell me. Third eigenvector how you will get?
K1 also 1, K2 also 1.
We should take K3, sir.
Like this. Another best, that is also good actually. Best option is what? You make it first fellow 0. First fellow 0 means what you will do? K1 is equal to -3, K2 is equal to 2 over. Am I correct or not? Check. If 3 are repeated, I think am I making confusion?
No, sir.
See, up to here, actually our problem is by this over, my problem is completed. Now I will write nicely. Lambda is equal to 5. 1, 2, -1. Lambda is equal to -3. x2 is equal to what? 3, 0, 1. And x3 is equal to -2, 1, 0. By this my problem completed. Now my
Sir?
new question is what if I go next problem? If I have the three eigenvalues are same, how to attack I'm telling. The same, suppose if you take this is same problem, lambda minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 I got. Then how you will do? This fellow you can make 0. How you will 0? This quotient you can multiply here, this quotient you can multiply here. 2 into 3 is how much, sir?
-6.
3 into 2 how much?
6.
Minus 6 plus 6 how much?
0.
0. So what you will get? 0, 3, minus 2, third value. You will have infinite of values. I am telling the best to choose, I am telling. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If 3 fellows are same means you can do. Copy down fast.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, if we will have two or three same eigenvalues, then we will have infinity eigenvectors.
What?
If we will have same eigenvalues, then we will have infinity eigenvectors.
No. That's why I am finding this different values I am finding in the non-trivial solutions. Copy down. Copied all of you. If you attendance 271. Is there.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Wait. Where is my copy? I will there come to desktop. Two 72.
Present, sir.
73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
75.
Present, sir.
76. 76. 77.
Present, sir.
78.
Sir, can you please show the board once more?
Wait. Up to where it came? 78. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
39.
Sir.
Present, sir.
80.
Present, sir.
81. 81. 82. 82 is there. 83. 84. 85.
84 present, sir.
86.
Present, sir.
87. 88.
Present, sir.
89.
Present, sir. Present, sir. 88.
88.
88.
Tyagarajan.
Yeah.
89.
Present, sir. Shivam.
Shivam. 90.
90 present, sir.
91.
Present, sir.
92. 93. 94.
Present, sir. Present, sir. 93.
94.
Sir,
95.
93 present.
Okay.
Yes.
94. 95. 96.
Present sir, 96. Sean Kumar.
Okay, 97,
Present, sir.
98, 99,
Sir,
100.
99 present.
What are you doing, sir? 100, 100, 101,
Present, sir.
Present.
102, 103,
Present sir.
104, 105,
Present, sir.
106,
Present, sir. 106.
107 is not joined, I think so. 107 after that 1 54001 series. 1 now only left actually. What can you do? 3 2
Present sir, Utkarsh.
you
Sir,
left
one
and
present,
came
sir.
back, huh?
Whole one present.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. I just clicked the red button by mistake.
2
Thank you, sir.
2
Present sir, present.
3
Present, sir.
present 4
Present, sir.
5
Present, sir.
6
Present, sir.
7 present. Cash stars. Might not there. 8
Present, sir.
9
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
10
Sir, present,
11
present, sir. 7 present.
12 yeah given
Sir,
11 present
7 present.
12
Present, sir.
13 yes sir given sir 7
13
13,
present.
14
14 present, sir.
15
7 present.
16
Present, sir.
17
Present, sir.
18
18 present sir.
19
Present, sir.
20 20 21 not there
Present, sir.
22 20 present 21 not there. 22
22 present, sir.
23
Present, sir.
24
Present sir.
25 25
Sir, 25 present. Shadan, sir.
okay.
Sir.
26
Sir, 7
7
years present.
you have given Yashras you are present 26 27 not joined. So options are 76, 81, 86, 92, 94, 95, 100, 104, 107, 21, 27. Now I can leave, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
X1 is also present.
Thank you sir.